Hey, this is Matt Pate with Extreme Clean Pressure Washing. I'm at one of my commercial restaurant accounts at the back service door where there's always a lot of grease buildup from foot traffic. I was just going to show you a live demo of what we're able to do to make the concrete look new again, which also helps reduce employees from falling on it. It's a little hard to see, but you can see here the water starting to run back over top of it. I wasn't able to rinse it, but if you can see here, you can see the difference in it. If you're a restaurant owner or a manager of a restaurant, you'd like to have this service completed at your restaurant, please give us a call at 423-773-7238.